Hi everyone. For this lesson, I'm going to start by reading you this book called I Like Myself by Karen Beaumont, because your assignment will be to brainstorm things that you like about yourself, like favorite things or things you enjoy, because eventually we can use these ideas to write. But just to give you some inspiration, I'm going to start by reading this. Again, it's called I Like Myself. It's also illustrated by David Ketro. I like myself. I'm glad I'm me. There's no one else I'd rather be. I like my eyes, my ears, my toes. I like my fingers and my toes. Oops, my nose and my toes. I like me wild, I like me tame, I like me different and the same. I like me fast, I like me slow, I like me everywhere I go. I like me on the inside too, for all I think and say and do. Inside, outside, upside down, from head to toe and all around. I like it all is me, and me is all I want to be. And I don't care in any way what someone else may think or say. I may be called a silly nut or crazy cuckoo bird. So what? I'm having too much fun, you see, for anything to bother me. Even when I look a mess, I still don't like me any less, 'cause nothing in this world, you know, can change what's deep inside, and so no matter if they stop and stare, no person ever, anywhere, can make me feel that what they see is all there really is to me. I'd still like me with fleas or warts, or with a silly snout that snorts, or knobby knees, or hippo hips, or purple polka-dotted lips. Dude, that'd be cool. Or beaver breath, or stinky toes, or horns protruding from my nose. Or yikes, with spikes all down my spine, or hair that's like a porcupine. I still would be the same, you see. I like myself because I'm me. I hope you all like yourself because you are you. And again, you're going to think about what makes you you. What things do you like? In this case, we're not thinking about things that you don't like, but what do you like? So you're on this slide now watching the video. You'll click on your assignment and you are going to brainstorm things that you like. Again, there'll be things you can possibly write about in the future. It's kind of like brainstorming. Try to write 10 things in each category. If you can't quite think of 10, that's okay, but see if you can. Really think about it. And there are some pictures that you'll write over. So this is what it looks like. You should just be able to write right on top. You'll just click in each thing. Oh, sorry. You can't just click. Duh. So you'll just make text boxes and type in there. Text box, text box. So you'll just write right over the pictures, which should make sense with the text box in Kami. So things you like to eat, things you like to do, things you like to play, and things you like about you. So you can go back and watch me read the book again if you need some more ideas. But again, we should love ourselves. We should love who we are. Yes, we can try to get smarter and better and kinder and all those things, but ultimately we should think that we are awesome. So I just want you to be brainstorming these things. Try to get 10. If you can't quite get 10, that's okay, but try to get as many things as you can in each category. Good luck.